beginners, take your blocking fist and put it by your ear. When I call out the number, beginners block down, low block. Yellow belts, double knife end. Green stripes, high X block. Green belts, low X block. Purple stripes, double low knife hand. And then the red stripe, feet horse stance. Step off the line. Feet now front stance, facing the sidewalk, sweeping the wedge block on. Okay, ready? One. Yes, sir?
The green stance, are we supposed to be in a ready stance or front stance?
Oh yeah, great question. If you're a green stripe or a green belt, you're definitely in the front stance, stepping forward. So yellow, green, and green are stepping forward at the moment that they do their block. Here we go again. Ready? Go!